That's it, you got it.
I wonder why your fishing is stuck. BTM stylish, but it should be by right side of the first one. You know the moon. Become stylish, but they should be stylish. Just look at it. Tingnan mo, may look. Ito, karami-raming worm. What the fuck is wrong with you, man? Ah, fine eh. One hook pero many beat. What the fuck? Pas-speedrun niya talaga yung maubos ng mga bagay. Baka gusto na talaga siya ba? Ah, shit! Ana. Nothing. Okay.
It's my right size.
That fish didn't bite at all.
Pero nahuglak sa bunganga lang. Sa lips niya. Okay.
That lips.
No, na-damage na gani yung lips niya.
Ang yawi! Himu na! Bam! Yeah! Down you man, I can already see some light.
Solitary to 5 minutes. Or the gulag. Pwede kong gulag.
It's on Russian.
Or pwede na rin tawag natin na ano. Auschwitz. Auschwitz.
Yeah. Alcatraz. Oh! 30 po eh.
Pasok na na. Pilot lang. Invite na ng tao.
Not hungry yet. Oh, what's that?
Sixth!
Fuck yeah!
Wala, nakuha na din spot na ko.
Wala na, nakuha na yung spot ko na ni Mark.
Yeah. Okay, ilang beses na huli na si Carl. Diyan na ako mahuli. Give chance to others. Right side. Get W and I could roll this is a night. Even though it's more late than I. Ako na lang, Carl. Tapos isang hit na, huwag ka magparami.
I thought I was the beginner.
Parang si Mom come back to begin.
Sige, magawa na ako ng bago.
Ilang beses na. Bawat psycho. Let's hear who has the last laugh.
Ano yan?
Si Lord or si Dora. I mean, I think Dora's fault.
Pwede ito gamitin ko.
Meron pa yan sa
Yan, ito lang ang gamitin ko.
Oh, that's good. You're out of luck. Ayos na man. Pag nakapak yan. Ano? Sigurado pa kapatid.
Durability pa lang, wala na.
Ay, langaw na lang, Mark.
Nangarap na ako.
Kaya na dito. Sigurado ka ha? Tignan mo ng durability niya. Tignan ng durability niya.
Dor-dor na niya lang, binibili na.
Sayang!
Speed up.
Yan, still my
Speed up.
Find out.
And so cars can make excuses.
Susunod na unahin ako! Teacher! Yeah!
Unahin niya ako.
Sixth!
Wait lang.
Wait lang, is it size of my hand? Yes, it's an actual right size. Sorry, Curbs!
Unahin niya ako. Nandun din siya sa ano ko, busit.
Get that, you mean that. Oh, to.
It didn't.
Ubus na yung beat ko sa box eh. Diba, Ether?
Yung card lang yun. I got lucky on them here.
Oh!
Nagawa na ako ng bago ah.
7th!
Nagawa na ako ng DIY. Ngayon, I will be the god.
You will be the god.
Face my ultimatum.
You'll ulti these nuts.
That's not yan na.
Spot na? I don't know. It's my spot now.
Lipat siya eh. Stop.
What are you doing, step bro?
Dahil magandaan.
Takot okay. Siguro, t-shirt ni Mag. T-shirt ni Mag. Sado. Ito pa yung hook mo. This one. Keep it up first. Para makaabot na rin yung man. Para hindi na makaabot sa mga.
Anong hindi? Buwang kayo ah.
Ngayon ka lang mahuli.
Anong hindi? Gago kayo ah. How many hours was it?
2 hours. Hour or more.
Gago kayo ah.
Ganyan ka pa nahuli.
Oy, alam mo ba yung paghuli natin dati? Huwag mo gayahin yung kay na-surpass kita doon, galang mo.
Oh, pero na-surpass rin kita.
Alam mo dyan ha?
Dinamihan lang nila. Bakit? Kasi nagabili naman ako ng Coke. Of course.
I have a spot. I know the fish spot.
Okay, that's good.
Alam mo kung mabili ko. Shit, sayang. It was easy. Oh, sayang! Yun, sana. It was teasing me.
No.
It was teasing me. Hayda.
Party ya. Balik ka na sa ano mo! Anak ko ba? Fishing rod na gamit mo! Are you feeling regret now, Mr. Krabs?
Oh! Now, I can feel it.
So you wanna play a game? So you wanna play with that game?
Are you ready? What? What you love you? I feel that it all ay, ganda na.
Number 1, nataas ko na yung strength ng intelligence ko. Number 2, maayos ng ng friendship kasi ayun na. Pangalawa, very good.
Anong katong size? Ano na, sir? Nag-bob na kumag. Ganito, Mr. Let me go! That's no one. Mata. Mata? Mata, sir? Mata. The same size as my hand. Ano? Hey, marunong sir. Very good, sir. Hey, get off my face. Dang it. What the?
Yan yung nakukunin sa tamat sa mata. Tamat mata?
Oh my gosh, I'm like
Hindi man nataman sa mata. Hindi man nataman sa mata. Wala. Pero malaki men. Malit oh.
Ano nga pag-use?
Ganun oh.
You can try.
Oh! I spoke the fucking motherfucking gabi. Pusit kang gabi ka.
Hindi, namata.
Okay. No matter, by the way, when it comes sa gabi, yan na yung ganito bitsura ni Gobi. Keep it.
Yun naman, namata ang gabi. Men, namata ang gabi. Tatangay mo, di ba?
Oh,
Tanggal sa video.
well, keep it. Ngayon. Nope. But actually, yes.
Tinan mo na mata niya.
Ulul.
Port niya, ay, ang start niya. Port? Atake? Oo.
Now!
Crab!
Grab it!
Crab! Ano mo kagad? Ano mo kagad? Mr. Crab! Wala, ako si Mr. Crab yan. Men!
It's a crab, literally. I caught a
No, si
crab.
Mr. Crab. O, tignan mo sa camera. Check it in the camera.
Ah!
Mr. God! Huli ka ng crab.
Hey, I've got a crab.
Yay!
Hey, Mr. Crab, you will go into the boiling pot
Ano na tayo? Ay, hindi. Saan yung lalagyan na na isa? Yan na.
Yeah. You go into the boiling pot later.
Hey! Nicely done, Curbs.
I didn't even feel it.
Ganon talaga yun.
Oy, yapa ka mo ng ano ko, picture ko.
Ano ka lang?
150. I'm hungry, super duper. Let's eat a crab.
Oh, there you are. Fuck, wait, is that the same one?
Wait, that's... No, actually not. Or is it?
It probably is.
I catch a small one, so of course I'm going to release this motherfucker. Di naman tapat sa mata.
It's a clever one too.
So, comparison muna dito sa iba, men.
Wala, yan. Clip no. Dito na. Pagtapon mo, Superman.
Yay! Get lost!
And be big and go big.
So we can eat you again.